continue moving forward safely. Chinese people. The military is preparing to take an unprecedented step, and the replacement process is gradually beginning. Soldiers and robots equipped with rifles. Recent research has shown that semi-automatic. These killer machines are capable of firing. Hitting a target with a rifle is as effective as shooting a person. To enhance the combat capabilities of soldiers and security forces, let's begin our selection process with one of the most promising robot dogs. China's Unitree B2 robot dog. Continue to break all records. Robots can maintain. They can maintain balance on the stairs and accelerate to incredible speeds. It can withstand a load of over 120 kilograms and can operate continuously for more than 5 hours on a single battery charge. Remuneration. Initially, the robot model had a B1 rating. Introduced in 2022, this product was originally intended for industrial use. For example, the Unitree B1 can move underwater. It has the capacity to carry a load of up to 80 kilograms and operate continuously with just one battery charge for 2 hours without load. Currently known as Unitree, Robotics has developed a more advanced model called Unitree B2. New full-legged animal. The robot weighs 60 kilograms and has more powerful drive mechanisms, generating a torque of 380 Newton-meters. This robotic dog can carry up to 120 kilograms of cargo still, and weighs over 40 kilograms when in motion. With a battery capacity of 2,250 watt-hours, robots can move continuously for more than 5 hours without load. We traveled about 20 kilometers and it took more than 2 hours, with a carrying capacity of 45 kilograms. Dynamic characteristics of the drive. This allows the robot to perform jumps exceeding 1.6 meters, jump from a height of over 1 meter, and run at a maximum speed of 6 meters per second. Furthermore, the robot is very stable. B2 can maintain balance on a slippery floor covered with banana peel, despite being pressured by the engineers. Enhanced stability prevents the B2 from falling while moving up the stairs, despite the engineers' strenuous efforts to knock it down. The robot was kicked and dragged by a rope attached to it, and logs rolled under its feet. Unitree B2 can be accessed via stairs, including reversing or moving sideways. This robot can also climb a 45-degree slope and move across rough surfaces. To orient itself in space, B2 uses LiDAR, depth cameras and conventional high-resolution cameras. According to the plan, this robot will be used in industry, for example, to inspect an object remotely, and the army. They also plan to use robots for their own purposes. By the way, in addition to all of the above, Unitree B2 walking robot. It can be easily converted into a wheeled version. To do this, simply replacing it is sufficient. Lower part of the leg. With a camouflage green color scheme and protective mesh, a robotic dog was put on display, the latest invention of China's military industry, at presentations at the China Air Show. Apparently, this robot dog can fly and go down. It moves in all directions and rotates around its axis. Appealing, but not original. The Chinese robot is essentially a copy of that model. This company has been developing similar robots for many years and is known worldwide because of its achievements in this field. That is still unknown. Will Chinese citizens be granted permits from an American company, or have attempted to closely replicate this invention? Furthermore, many experts have expressed concern related to the usability of such robots. Concerns about escalating international tensions. China is showcasing advanced military technologies amidst escalating tensions. China has unveiled new high-tech weapons, including shooting robot dogs, drones, and reconnaissance balloons. Let's focus on the latest robot dog. In late October 2022, China unveiled a robot dog, equipped with machine guns. It can be transported by drone. In a video clip, a drone, they put the robot dog on the roof of a building. After the UAV left, robot dog with a machine gun mounted on its back. He stood up and began observing the landing area against potential enemies within firing range. Such drones could be used to attack vulnerable locations, behind enemy lines, or to capture rooftops. Allows three-dimensional attacks. Based on a video about automatic rifles, machine gun, or handheld grenade launcher, can be attached to the back. It is believed that robots can reach speeds up to 14.5 kilometers per hour and operate in coordination with infantry. The weapon the dog used was a lightweight one, China's QBB-97 machine gun. It is capable of firing up to 650 rounds per minute, with an effective operating range of up to 400 meters. The gun is designed in a bullpup style and used the new 5.8mm ammunition from China, intermediate ink cartridge, in the basic version. China's new combat robots. It has the ability to adapt to any terrain. Let's move on to the United States, where there is a robot dog with a flamethrower mounted at the rear. It has been sold. Fire thrower. They are announcing their new product for the first time. It was named the Thermonator last summer, and the product is now available for purchase. The company has shared a new video showcase the capabilities of the Terminator. This video is less than 2 minutes long. It starts with the fuel for the flamethrower. The tail section of the robot is being filled. Then, the destroyer was seen spewing fire. Includes a frame illustrating its jumping capabilities. On its website, the company describes this product as follows: the world's first robot dog equipped with a flamethrower. Its price is nearly $10,000. Some critics warn that, what if the robot falls into the wrong hands? Serious problems could arise. However, it is the developers themselves don't consider creating them as a weapon. They position the robot as a tool to assist in special effects. Consider throwing fire, actively participating in the film industry. This is clearly a model of a robot dog. A flamethrower was selected from the Unitree Go 1 product line, a small four-legged robot. The manufacturers should have used a larger model from Boston Dynamics, but probably they prefer this option, thanks to its flexibility and mobility. This is the latest robot dog, called Ghost V60, already in operation, used by the United States military. The military calls this development the eyes and feet of the army. Currently, soldiers from the 23rd Airborne Engineering Regiment. They are currently testing the capabilities of the robot dog, in collaboration with experts from the field of robotics, Expeditionary Center of the Defense Equipment Corporation. They will assess how well the machines are functioning, capable of operating under various conditions, and how useful would it be on the battlefield. It is known that the V60 quadruped, capable of traversing complex terrain with speeds up to 10 kilometers per hour, and can carry a load of up to 10 kilograms. Robots can be transported to the work area by helicopter or parachute, and then the operator has to control it remotely. Autonomous driving mode is not provided. However, the manufacturer has provided protect electronic devices due to rain and other weather conditions, built-in camera on the front. The rear and sides allow for a 360-degree view. This is complemented by a light detection feature. and scope visualization system. In a modern combat environment, robots are becoming increasingly important. This allows soldiers to act faster and for longer periods. Four-legged Ghost V60. It helps to improve situational awareness. For soldiers on the ground, it can function as both eyes and ears. For soldiers on the front lines, increase accuracy in identifying and capturing targets. One of the British Army engineers said. He added that, British Army, there are many potential ways to use robots. For example, robots can perform critical tasks, important equipment for soldiers, scouting dangerous areas, and perform combat missions that are too dangerous for humans. This will help minimize the risk to the lives of soldiers and make their jobs easier. Another development in China. It was introduced in early November 2022. This is the latest robotic fighting dog. He was equipped with an automatic rifle mounted on his back. Installing automatic weapons on Chinese robots. This is a serious technical challenge due to the weight of the weapon and recoil effect when firing. However, the People's Liberation Army of China continue to perform brilliantly. Interested in using this type of military equipment with heavier weapons, capable of performing combat missions, remote-controlled or in fully automatic mode. It is believed that this robot can carry a weight of 14 kilograms. The gun on its back. The dog is controlled by an app on military tablets. It also has a built-in camera with a 360-degree view. Such robots are designed to perform tasks in fully automatic mode or in remote control mode. No matter how detailed specifications, information regarding the development process is not being disclosed. And the Army 2022 military exhibition in Moscow. Latest. A product developed in Russia has been unveiled, a robotic dog equipped with grenade launchers. This project was created by Intellect Machines. Visually, it resembles a dog, specializing in the field of robotics, weapons and artificial intelligence. Developers. They claimed that the robot dog could make accurate shots, weapons transport, and it can also be useful in civil situations, overcoming debris and transporting medication. Robot dogs can also be used to assist in marksmanship, patrol and security. However, in the United States, there are doubts regarding the uniqueness of this development. Consider it as a copy of a similar product from China. The M81 prototype was covered in cloth to conceal its origin. This raises questions about the Russian manufacturer. Write in the comments section, which of the robots shown in this video is it? What impressed you the most? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Carol Show channel. Check out our previous videos. See you next time.